Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name is Ben. In this video, we're going to talk about blanks for Cricut in the UK. Okay, so as I mentioned, Cricut blanks. Now, I've been using my Cricut machine, the Cricut Maker 3. I'll put a link in the video and up here somewhere about our unboxing and some of the stuff we've done with it so far. Pulling for around, I think it was since the beginning of this year, maybe 10 months or so. So yeah, I've been using the Cricut Maker 3 for 10 months in the UK, obviously. And I found that obviously you can make the obvious stuff, you know, your cards, stuff for key rings, certain clothing, using vinyl, iron on vinyl, etc, etc. But over Christmas and for Father's Day and birthdays and things, I've been trying to think outside the box a bit in terms of what you can make with the machine as presents, basically. And so when you want to make something, obviously you need blanks. So this could be t-shirts, cups, glasses, pots, pans, but storage containers, anything really. But obviously finding them blank. So I thought I would do a video just to talk about blanks, where I've seen the best ones, which ones we've got, and where to get them from in the UK. Because I've been looking on YouTube and there's tons of people that do it in the US. Use the Cricut in the US or the Cricut, and a lot of people talk about like the stores in the US. There aren't that many people or many videos that I've found on YouTube talking about the UK. So I thought I'd just do a really quick video. Just some examples and the stuff that we've used so far, but also kind of a call out and question for anyone out there watching this video, where they think or where they've found the best place to get Cricut blanks at. Okay, so I thought I'd just list off a few places so far, and I'll just overlay it with some of the stuff that I've managed to find. So in terms of blanks, the best place I think is Home Bargains in the UK. Home Bargains do all kinds of things from bottles to storage containers. There's some up there behind me, just up here, that I got from Home Bargains. That we've got flour and sugar and some rice in, I think, up there. So I've got them from Home Bargains. They do cups, plastic bottles. Sometimes the plastic bottles aren't fully blank though. They'll have like the brand on them, and the rest will be blank. So it depends how blank you want it to be. But if it's just for personal use, it's probably not a problem. And yeah, they do tons of stuff. The only problem with Home Bargains is, or one of the problems, is it's not a constant forever stock. So you'll buy something like 1 month, you'll go back the next month, and they might not have it there. Obviously, I think the way they purchase stuff, Home Bargains, is very much kind of on a random kind of what they find and what they can bring into store. So yeah, I don't think it happens with everything. Some stuff is always there, but some of the stuff I found, I think with the glass jars, the style will change, so they'll still sell them, but it'll be a different style. So if you are looking to buy to sell from Home Bargains, as in buy and then craft and then sell, that might be a problem in terms of the consistency. Next up is I've managed to get t-shirts or garments anyway from Buy T-shirts online. Yeah, I think so buytshirtsonline.co.uk, that is the website. They sell, so it sounds like they just sell t-shirts, they sell more, but I've had t-shirts from there, I've had tote bags from there, towels, so they do full size towels, hand towels, dishwasher towels, tea towels, sorry, they're called tea towels. They're obviously, some of them you can customize, so some of the towels I've had, they've got like a piece on them that is specifically for embroidery and for vinyl, so they're really good. T-shirts, and that's about it. I've got some aprons from there, tote bags and drawstring bags. So yeah, buytshirtsonline.co.uk is brilliant, to be honest with you. The quality is really good. The delivery is really good in terms of turnaround time, and they do bulk order capability. So if you're buying more, the price does come down. But I've always found their stuff to be really good. As advertised, good pictures on the website, you can see what you're getting, and you do get kind of what you're expecting, which is really good. So you probably get it cheaper elsewhere, possibly, if you're buying more in bulk, I would have thought. But for me, doing small scale stuff in terms of buying in tens rather than hundreds, it does work out really well, and really impressed with their products. Next up are the supermarkets. So Asda, Tesco, Sainsburys, those three really, I've got stuff from there before. So I think I've got some pint glasses, so as in the drinking pint glasses, normal tumbler glasses from Asda. They've got a really good range in their home range. And I've also done flasks as well, like the keep warm flasks that have got like a plate around them. They're really good because they're unbranded, so they don't have anything on them or unlabeled or nothing on them whatsoever. Obviously they do stuff with that on, but they do have a good range of blank stuff. I think out of the three of them, Asda probably is the best in terms of range. I've kind of got all sorts from them. I've had just normal cups, drinking cups, glasses, a gravy boat, chopping boards, all kinds of stuff from Asda. So yeah, from a supermarket perspective, they're all pretty good, but Asda is the number one. Okay, so IKEA. IKEA is the next one I wanted to mention. I've had a couple of bits from IKEA. I've done the glasses, so I've done some glass etching previously, which I'll link to up here. So glass etching on glasses, I got it from IKEA. They're okay, they aren't as cheap as Asda, for example, but I tend to find the quality of the product from IKEA is a little bit better. And they obviously do other stuff as well. They do the chopping boards from a kitchen perspective, chopping boards, wooden spatulas are a good one. They are cheap. And they obviously do all the different storage containers which you can customise however you want. So IKEA is a good one, a little bit pricier than probably Home Bargains, and a little bit pricier than Asda, but they are good quality and will last a long time. Another online one, it's a bit of an obvious one probably, is Hobbycraft, hobbycraft.co.uk. I do find some of their stuff to be a little more expensive, but it's quite good when they've got, I do get some stuff from there when there's sales on. But they do have a great range of blanks, to be honest with you. Tons of different stuff, wooden things. I think I got reefs from there, reef making stuff from there previously. But yeah, they've got tons of stuff at hobbycraft.co.uk. Last one's an actual store, B&M Bargains. They do have some stuff, but like Home Bargains, the range disappears after a while. They don't have that as much as Home Bargains, certainly nowhere near as much as Asda, but you can pick up stuff from B&M Bargains, storage containers, cups, glasses, things like that, but it is a bit more random from B&M's. Okay, that's the end of this video. As I said, it was just a quick video, just to kind of a roundup of what I thought the best places to get blanks for Cricut and just general craft makings from. So hopefully it's been informative, hopefully you've liked the video. I would ask if anyone is watching this video in the UK, or has got experience of anywhere in the UK, if you've got any other ideas than the ones I've mentioned, please do drop it in the comment section. I'm always looking for places to get blanks from. So yeah, if you've got any that I've not mentioned, or if you agree with any that I have mentioned, drop it in the comment section, let me know. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. If you've got any other questions or any other comments, drop them in the comment section and we'll get back to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along for other crafting and DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.